Here's a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta Sedan. German-engineered style, performance, and precision come together to create the perfect compact sedan. And it comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive finds the interior clean, stylish, and comfortable while being smart, accommodating, and functional. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We are conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.